Hi, I'm Shannon. In this video, we'll explore the pricing plans available with the SquareKicker extension. We'll see how easy it is to manage multiple websites and the most cost-effective option for customizing a single website. Let's get started. SquareKicker offers both personal and professional plans. The Solo plan is a personal plan that supports a single website connection. This is the most cost-effective option if you're looking at working on 1 or 2 websites at a time. Whilst you can't swap websites in and out, you can have more than one subscription in your account. The Solo plan has full access to the extension tools. One great feature, you only need a subscription while creating custom designs with SquareKicker. Once you've finished designing your website, you can cancel your subscription. You will lose access to SquareKicker's tools and any updates, but the designs you have already made will stay active on your live site. All SquareKicker functionality can be returned at any stage by renewing your subscription. All plans have access to advanced tools in the SquareKicker extension. These powerful tools produce advanced animations and stunning design features. There are many tutorials available to step you through using these tools so that you can get creative. You can try all these features on a free trial, so start there if you're unsure. If you work on 3 or more websites at a time, a professional plan provides the best value. Subscribe to one of our professional plans for access to all premium tools and an easy way to manage all of your sites. With a designer or agency plan, you can create an unlimited amount of websites within a single subscription, and you don't need to worry about passing on any ongoing costs to your clients. When working on a client's website, add it to your list of websites and then set the status to active. Designer plans support up to 10 active websites at a time. If you need to work on more than 10 active websites at a time, you can upgrade to the agency plan, which supports 25 active sites. When you've completed work on a website, you can change its status to inactive. This will free up space for adding another active website. If you need to make updates to an inactive website, with the SquareKicker tools, simply change the status back to active. Designer and agency plans also have access to beta features ahead of public release. For more information on this, we have a whole video explaining how to manage websites in your designer plan. Let's recap. There are 3 SquareKicker extension plans to choose from: Solo, Designer, and Agency, as well as the free trial. Whether you want simple but powerful customizations for your Squarespace website or a comprehensive solution for your design business, there's an option for you. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create with SquareKicker.